Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys some Walgreens online deals. I went through a lot of stuff and a lot of things are sold out, but you definitely want to check, later on, or look for specific ones that you're looking for, or just come back later in the week. But there's a lot of stuff out of stock, but you just got to keep checking, and you guys can do as many orders as you want, because right now Walgreens is offering free shipping on anything. So if you guys need stuff, please do the free shipping instead of going out to the stores. They're really trying to stop everything. I would love to go to the stores and coupon, but it's not worth it at all. But these are deals that you guys can do online. So right here you guys see the Tide. They have them for $4.99. They're going to be $2.99 with a $2 off online coupon. So you guys can get them, or $2 off coupon, making them $2.99. Now this Kellogg cereal you can actually purchase online. There was a lot of it sold out. The only one that was available that it looked like was the Kellogg's Pop-Tart cereal. So it's up to you guys if you want to try that, but it comes out to be $1.38 after a 50-cent coupon. Now here is the soft soap and the Irish soap. Now we did get a $1 off coupon for the Irish Springs, and we also got a $1 off coupon for the soft soap. So you guys want to buy just one of each at $4.99 a piece. You want to use the two $1 off digital coupons. You would pay $7.98, but then you get 5,000 points. Comes out to be just $2.98. That's like $1.50 a piece. Those do count towards beauty. So if you guys, buy a lot of stuff, you can also get the 5,000 extra points for beauty. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Now Revlon is 30% off. But you get a $5 register reward when you buy two, and I'm gonna try to avoid a lot of the in-store deals, breakdowns for you guys, because we should be just staying home, staying safe. I'm not trying to be mean, but I just want this thing to end so I can get out and coupon. That's all I want to do. Then we're gonna go to the second page. This is a great deal in the store if you guys can do it, but they are 2 for $10. We are getting, I think, some $1 off coupons. I'm not sure. But you get a $5 register reward when you buy two. Those come out to be just $2.50 a piece without a coupon. So it's up to you guys if you need to get that. Nothing else that's really popping out at me that you guys can buy stuff in the store rather than online. A lot of food deals, but again, you can't buy. A lot of this stuff is sold out. Like I was gonna buy some sugar. It said it was sold out, but we got vanilla, all that stuff. So if you need to go to the store, those would be good items to get for those. Then we got some more frozen meals and refrigerated meals. There is candy available to purchase online, so depending on what kind of candy you guys want, you can purchase that stuff online. Liquor you can't buy. Now here is the Dixie Plates. They're usually $3.99 at the store. They are currently on sale for buy one get one 50% off. So you guys want to go ahead and buy two of them. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. It would come out to be $4.98 for both of them. You pay about $2.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal. I've seen it. I think it's a better deal when it's buy one get one free, which I haven't seen in a while, but they're probably going to have some later on. But if you guys really need plates and you're sick of doing dishes, like I empty and run my dishwasher every single day, you can do paper plates if you need to. For that hefty bag, $6.99. They got Dawn soap, 99 cents, and the home facial stuff, 99 cents. Now the Clorox and the Clorox wipes, I went online and everything is sold out, but 2 for $5 is an okay deal. If you guys can do that, there might be coupons out there, but the online showed it was completely sold out. Toilet paper, if you can have fun finding toilet paper, that's awesome, but most stores are sold out. Online is sold out. People are just going crazy over toilet paper. Crazy over toilet paper. Now, if you guys are really bored and you want to do photos and stuff, there are 4x6 photos, or 10 cents a piece if you order 75. I felt weird ordering photos at Walgreens. I wanted to order some, and I don't know if I should. I mean, I don't need to go to Walgreens just to pick up photos, but I mean, it's a good project to work on. So if you guys need photos, $10 or 10 cents a piece is a pretty good deal. Now we got some food, or pens, clothing, baby stuff. We're gonna get to Easter stuff. I did see a lot of stuff kind of sold out, but it depends on what you guys want. I like buying Easter stuff after the holiday, which I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot of stuff on clearance. Just to give you guys a heads up, because not a lot of people are buying this stuff, so there's gonna be a lot of stuff on clearance. So I'm hoping we can get some good deals. But they do have some toys. Buy one get one 50% off. I think you guys can shop online, but a lot of stuff's not sold in the stores. A lot of it's out of stock. Yeah, so I guess you'd have to go to the store, but that is an okay deal. So you guys, my camera froze, or my computer froze on me. I hate my computer. So now we're going to get to the personal care items. Now right down here they have these soft soap, regular hand soap. Have fun trying to find some hand soap. But this bottle right here is actually in the stores for $2.99. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 4 of them. There's also one 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $8.47 and get 4,000 points. It comes out to be just $4.47 or $1.11 a piece if you guys need to do that. And they also have the smaller bottles. Those are usually like one. I know they have the one with like the fish on it. Those are usually $1.99. Again, buy one get one 50% off. Use that one 50-cent off digital coupon. You would pay $5.47, get 4,000 points. It comes out to be $1.47 or just 73 cents a piece. If you guys need to go ahead and do that. I know the big jugs are like $6.49, so unless you guys need some refills, I would just get the little ones. Now here is some makeup. They do have some Rimmel deals, which I do want to share with you guys on that. It shows that right now it's buy one get one 50% off. Then there's a 4 off of 2 coupon, which is most likely the Walgreens booklet. So here they got some waterproof eyeliner. It's again $4.29. They're buy one get one 50% off. There's currently a $2 off manufacturer coupon, so the coupon will only work once. And then we have a 4 off of 2 coupon that's also for the Walgreens booklet. So you guys can basically get both of those for 43 cents. That's a great deal for 43 cents if you guys like eyeliner. Now here there's some lip deals. Now those are all $3.99. There's some available online and there's some that's not, but you guys can go ahead and do that. The $2 off coupon doesn't work. It's only for, I think, eye stuff, but these are lips. So, but you can use the 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. So you guys would just pay $1.98 for 2 of them, which is an okay deal. Makes them pretty much like 99 cents a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Now here is Wet n Wild. I went online last night. I couldn't sleep and I was up at midnight and a lot of stuff was already sold out when I went online. But there's some really good deals. Now this is a good deal if you guys need to get some money makers, some points. There could be some deals in the store, but when I looked online, when I looked in stock at my store, a lot of it said it was out of stock. But there is a ton of stuff for sale on Walgreens. So there is a lot of brushes currently on sale for 29 cents. Okay, they're usually 59 cents and then they're 50% off, making them 29 cents. So you guys can mix and match any of the ones that are 29 cents. Now, like I said, a lot of them are sold out online, but just keep coming back or check. But you guys would pay 58 cents for both of them. But then you guys would get 1,000 points when you buy 2. That comes out to be a 43 cent, nope, I wrote it wrong, a 42 cent moneymaker, you guys, which is awesome. They got nail polish and they got lipstick for 59 cents. You guys could buy 2 of them. You would pay $1.18. You get 1,000 points. That comes out to be just 18 cents a piece. So a lot of this stuff was out of stock when I did go online. And then there's some items that are 89 cents. Let me find an 89 cent product for you. But if you guys do need some stuff, right now is a great time to get Wet n Wild. But where did I see an 89-cent one? Yeah, so they got some other brushes for 89 cents. You guys, like I said, you can mix and match. You could buy one 89-cent and one 29-cent if you want. But the 89 cents, you'd pay $1.78. You get 1,000 points, making them 78 cents. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points to do that deal, but I think it's a pretty good deal. Keep checking back to see if they do it, because some of that stuff can be a great moneymaker. Now, a lot of these deals are you get points, and some of them you get register rewards. Like the Crest deal, you get $2 register rewards when you go in the store. Not going to do that, but they do have some Colgate toothpaste for $3.99. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $6.97 for 3 of them. You get 5,000 points. Comes out to be just $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece. It's up to you guys. Like right now, I know we should not pay for toothpaste, but if you guys, you know, need to buy something, that could be an okay deal. It could be an okay deal. I mean, it's a great product to donate. There's a lot of people asking for donations. Now, I wanted to share with you guys some deals that not everybody gets, but there are people that do get it. Now right here they have the Arm & Hammer like spin brush and toothpaste. Those are currently buy one get one free, plus there is a $1 off digital coupon. So this is toothpaste that I found. I didn't check everything, but this is like toothpaste for $4.59. They do have other toothpaste for $4.59. But they're currently, again, buy one get one free, plus there is a $1 off digital coupon. So if you guys are brand loyal, you could get both of them for $3.59 or just $1.79 a piece. I wouldn't say it's a great deal, but some of you guys do need that stuff. So I wanted to share with you on that, and you can buy it online. The next deal, I thought, one thing I never get at Walgreens is feminine products. I never get feminine products just because, you know, I just don't find a good deal. I always get them better at CVS. So these are right now, buy one, get one 50% off, and then there's a 4 off of 2 coupon. Here's just something I found online. This is out of stock, but there's other ones available that you guys can buy. But again, $6.49, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would pay, after the 4 off of 2 coupon, you would just pay $5.73. That comes out to be just $2.86 a piece. So if you guys need feminine products and you can't get out, it's an okay deal. So, oh, and make sure if you guys are purchasing stuff online, make sure you check, you know, either Top Cashback, Rakuten, or Be Frugal, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. But then we're gonna go to these pages, nothing, and then they got Ricola. They are 2 for $5. There is a $1 off of they're 2 for $5. There is a $1 off manufacturer coupon, plus there is a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get them for $3 or $1.50 a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that deal. But other than that, I think that's all that I found for deals. There's not much going on with the medicines unless you guys can get that. But that is pretty much it. And I'm going to share with you guys, this is a cereal. This is the only cereal that I could find. So we're going to go to Rakuten, okay? So I have links for this all the time because you guys can save some money, and if you're doing online shopping, why not get some more cash back? So I go to Rakuten. Right now I get 3% cash back if I do Rakuten. If we're going to go to Top Cashback, we're going to go to Top Cashback. We're going to type in Walgreens. My computer is super slow. But we're going to type in Walgreens and see what we can get for Walgreens cash back. So this is extra money that you guys can get back. So Walgreens, you can get up to 6% cash back, depending on what you buy, or 4%. But that's still better than that. Plus there is free shipping. And then my next one that I use is Be Frugal. all three of these websites. I go to all three of these websites anytime I do online shopping because one store is different than the other. So Walgreens, you get up to 6% cash back, it looks like, and 4%. So if I were buying something online, it would either go to Be Frugal or Top Cash Back for the Walgreens stuff. But other than that, there's really not much other things to go through. There's a lot of stuff sold out. I think everybody's just ordering stuff online. But definitely check it out. Keep checking back to see what deals you guys can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.